What is up, beautiful babes? Your girl, Sweet Angel. I am here, y'all. And today, guess what I have? I'm loving my makeup again. I am, like I said, getting back into the swing of things. I talked about it in the last video, how, sometimes you just have to push through. And I am pushing through, but I'm feeling great about it because y'all, I'm on my game again. I am. So many things that I'm doing right now. I can hardly wait to share them with you, but I want to make sure that, hey, it's working for me. And if it works for me, then I can share it with you and you can try it. And it might work for you too. Who knows? But girl, when Stella got her groove back, it took a little bit of time, and it took that for me too, but I'm here now. But today I'm doing makeup. So yes, this look here, I want to say it's just a little bit of a little sunset type of deal. And y'all, the one thing about me, I can give two shits about what age you are to do certain things. Now, when it comes to my makeup, I do me. Regardless of 60 plus, it doesn't matter. I do it because I like it. And that's the way you should be too. Anybody can say you're too old for that, you're too young for that, la 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 la. You listen, do you. Just do you, okay? And as long as you're happy, that's what's important. And girl, I love the look today. And I'm just gonna maybe talk through it. I'm not really sure. I'm just going to share it with y'all, put on a little music here and there, and let y'all see what's up with it, okay? But I am loving those Deodor lashes. Y'all, they are heavenly. So check out the links below. I do have makeup information listed below. So check all of that out and let's get to it. What is up, beautiful babes? Sweet Angel in the building.
It doesn't matter your age, you can still be that girl, living your truth, letting love unfurl. Time can't define you, nor set you apart. You're forever young, with a fearless heart. Keep on shining, keep on glowing. Every heartbeat, life keeps showing. Doesn't matter your age, you can still be that girl. Life gets heavy, I know it's true. Storms keep rolling right over you. But don't you break, don't you bend. This ain't the way your story ends. Take a deep breath, dry your eyes. Lift your head up to the skies. There's a fire in your soul. Let it burn, let it glow. You got this, you're stronger than you know. Rise up, let your spirit show. Every mountain, every mile, you're still standing. So wear that smile. You got this, oh, you got this. Every stumble, this long, and you're barely holding on. Just remember, you're enough, built for greatness, built for love. So keep on pushing, don't give in. Through the darkness, light begins. You got this. Oh, you got this. What do you see? A woman of power, wild and free. Through all the struggles, through all the pain, you rise above, you own your name. They tried to dim your light, but you still shine. Walking with grace, standing so divine. You're not just number one, you're the one. A crown on your soul, your reign's just begun. You are a queen, wear it proud, stand tall. Breaking through the chains, you can have it all. You're not just number one, you are the one. Shining like the stars, brighter than the sun. Each step you take, it's history in the making. Your heart is gold, and it ain't for breaking. Stronger than mountains, deeper than the sea. Nothing in this world can take your legacy. They tried to dim your light, but you still shine. Walking with grace, standing so divine. You're not just number one, you're the one. A crown on your soul, your reign's just begun. You are a queen, wear it proud, stand tall. Breaking through the chains, you can have it all. You're not just number one, you are the one. Shining like the stars, brighter than the sun. Let the world remember your name. Through every storm, through every flame. Your beauty, your fire, your destiny. A queen forever, eternally. You are a queen. Let your spirit run. You're not just number one, you are the one. You are a queen. Let your spirit run. You're not just number one, you are the one. I see you in the mirror every single night. Through the haze of tears, under soft moonlight. The world may spin, but you remain the same. A spark in the dark, are still that girl. Oh, don't you forget, a diamond unbroken, no room for regret. The world may try to change you, twist and twirl, but deep in your soul, you're still that girl. The whispers may tell you you've lost your way, but your heart beats strong, guiding every day. The shadows of doubt can never define the light in your eyes. It's purely divine. You are still that girl. Oh, don't you forget, a diamond unbroken, no room for regret. The world may try to change you, twist and twirl, but deep in your soul, you're still that girl. The scars you carry, they tell your story. A war is hard, wrapped in quiet glory. Don't let the noise drown your melody. You're the rhythm of love, wild and free. You are still that girl. Oh, don't you forget, a diamond unbroken, no room for regret. The world may try to change you, twist and twirl, but deep in your soul, you're still that girl. I used to give my all, left nothing for me. Always the shoulder, the rock, the steady tree. But the weight of the world got too hard to bear. Now I'm breaking free, breathing my own air. I've been chasing that dream